urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County, Trumbull County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Garrettsville and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Warren, Lordstown, West Farmington, Niles, Hubbard, Cortland. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage and Trumbull.